Hi friends, hi viewers, I am your best friend. You can say so. Right, I am K.S. Chaudhary. Here we will learn about that mood to action first. I have no mood to talk with you. कोई मूड नहीं है मेरा. ओके मेरा वीडियो बनाने का मूड है. I have mood to make video. She has no mood to discuss about. Okay, इस टॉपिक पे उसकी बात करने का कोई मूड नहीं है. हिंदी से भी यूज. हैव यू हैव यू मूड टू ड्रॉ पिक्चर बनाने का मूड है. नो, आई हैव नो मूड टू मेक पिक्चर. इन दिस वे यू कैन स्पीक. हैव यू मूड टू टेक टी. चाय पीने का मूड है, चाय पीने की इच्छा है. राइट. आई हैव नो मूड टू टेक टी. आई हैव नो मूड टू टेक कॉफी. आई हैव नो मूड टू ईट एनीथिंग. Okay, my mood is too much upset. I have no mood. They have no mood to wear new clothes. नए कपड़े पहनने का मूड नहीं है. Mood is upset. So I have. It is very nice topic, right? Have you mood to dance? Have you mood to dance? पूछ सकते हैं. Have you mood to dance? Have you mood? Have you mood to dance or not? राइट. अभी खाना खाने का इरादा है. हैव यू मूड टू ईट फूड नाउ? इन दिस वे. नो 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 नो, आई हैव नो मूड टू ईट फूड नाउ. यू कैन से सो. राइट. इट इज वेरी नाइस टॉपिक. अभी मेरा किसी से कोई बात करने का मूड नहीं है. तो कैसे बोलेंगे? आई हैव नो मूड. आई हैव नो मूड टू टॉक with any person. I have no mood to talk with any person. I have mood to take rest. Have you mood to take rest? Tell me. I have mood to take rest. I have mood to take rest. In this way we can speak now. Have you mood to mop on the floor? पोछा लगाने का मूड है या नहीं? तो पूछ सकते हैं आप लोग. Have you mood to mop or not? Have you mood to sweep or not? Have you mood to purchase vegetable or not? Have you mood to deposit money or not? पैसे देने का मूड है कि नहीं है? Have you mood to return my money? Have you mood to return my money or not? Have you mood to return my money or not? Yes, I have mood to return your money. You can say so. I have mood to return your money. I have mood. Yeah, I have mood to return your money. Have you mood to give my salary or not? Have you mood to give party? Yes. I have no mood to give party because I have no money, so I have no mood. Right? Have you चलने का mood है कि नहीं है? Have you mood to go or not? You're Indians. You can talk like this. Right? उसका अभी किसी से बात करने का मूड नहीं है. He has no mood. He has no mood to talk with any person. He has no mood to talk any person. Have you mood to apply injection? इसे लगाने का मूड है क्या? Sir, no one mood happen to apply injections. No one mood. So I have no mood. Have you mood to take medicine? Have you mood to admit in a hospital? क्या ओके क्या ओके एक्सीडेंट करने का मूड है क्या? हैव यू मूड टू डू एक्सीडेंट? हैव यू मूड राइट टू डू accident? In this way we use. Have you moved to subscribe my channel? Have you moved to like my video? Have you moved to present comments? I think you have moved to present comments. You have moved to subscribe my video or channel, sorry. You have moved to like my video, right? Because your mood is very good. So in this way we can speak now. Okay, I have no mood. I have mood to dance. I have mood to sing. My heart is beating, keeps on repeating. I have mood to sing a song. Right? I have mood to take bath. It is too much hot. What was the I have mood to take bath. In this way, I have mood to take enjoy. Have you mood to take enjoy? Yes, I have mood to take enjoy. In this way, you can say that. ये फोन उठाने का मेरा मूड नहीं है. I have no mood to receive this call. ये कॉल उठाने का मूड नहीं. I have no mood to receive this call. Okay. Yes, I have no mood to go outside. In this way, you can speak. You can say that. Okay. Bye. Next video will be too much good. You have mood to subscribe my channel. You have mood to like my video. You have mood to share my videos. Okay. Yeah. Bye.